Curious, as you have a lot of conversations, you've been busy like the rest of us, is there a mood that you're feeling when it comes to the investment environment?
Great to be here with you. So it's really interesting actually, because we were here last year and the vibe at that point was, question marks about what the Fed was going to do, but we had a good idea, but there were concerns about the US economy. This time, everyone's like, we don't know what's going to happen to the Fed, and it doesn't matter because actually the growth is so strong and earnings are going to do fairly well. So they still feel like really risk on without actually needing to know what the Fed is doing. So that is a big shift in sentiment.
Well, having said that, what's your thoughts about do you agree with that sentiment?
So I feel like you can make a bit of a bet. I think it's very uncertain, more uncertain than I can remember actually in recent times.
More uncertain.
More uncertain about what the Fed is going to do next. So we do think our forecast is that the first cut comes in September and then another one in December. But I actually have very, very limited conviction at the moment because I think the next few data prints, first of all, you need to have at least 3 weaker than expected inflation numbers in order to get them back on track. Then you've got to think about the presidential election. I know the Fed is independent. We've heard all the things that they're going to say. But ultimately, if you're going to have a change in the direction, you better be very, very sure about what you're doing, especially if it comes before an election.